Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain on Payhip. If you're running an online store and want to give it a more professional look with your own branded web address, this is exactly what you need to do. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to payhip.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your store dashboard. This is where all the customization happens. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look at the top of the screen and click on Store. This section gives you access to all the settings related to your storefront, including how it appears to customers and how it's connected to the web. Within the Store section, find and click on Domains. This is where you'll manage all the web addresses connected to your Payhip store. If you've never set up a custom domain before, this area might be empty, but that's about to change. Now click on Connect Existing Domain. This option is for users who already own a domain name and want to link it to their Payhip store. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to purchase a domain from a provider like GoDaddy, Bluehost, Namecheap, or any other registrar before continuing. Here's the important part. You'll need to log into your DNS provider. This is the platform where you originally bought your domain. It could be GoDaddy, Bluehost, Hostinger, or any similar service. Once you're logged in there, you'll need to update your DNS settings to point your domain to Payhip. This usually involves adding a CNAME record or adjusting your A record. Each provider has slightly different steps, but most have guides on how to do this. Take your time here, as this step is crucial for the connection to work properly. After you've configured your DNS settings on your provider's side, head back to Payhip. Now it's time to type in the domain you want to connect. Enter the full domain name, for example, yourstore.com, in the provided field. Double check that you've typed it correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. Once you've entered your domain, click Continue. Payhip will now attempt to verify the connection. This process might take a few moments, or in some cases up to 48 hours depending on your DNS provider. Be patient during this step, as DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet. And that's it. You've successfully set up your custom domain on Payhip. Your store now has a professional branded web address that customers can easily remember and trust. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.